Hey, good day. My name is Lux, and today I have X32, Behringer X32. And the problem I have with this guy is the LED strips of the compressor and that of the preamp is not coming on, and it has actually not been fixed, but it's working now because I've removed what is bad, which is this shift register. I think 74H something. I'm going to drop the part number in the description. Actually, when you press, like for example, when you try to toggle on the switch, when you try to toggle on the switch of this guy, you can see that the LED comes on, but if you try to toggle on this, it's not coming on. The switch is working, but the LED is not coming on, so that is the problem it has. And this is the culprit. This one of the shift register is bad, so it's causing a short circuit. So when I removed it, the LED light on this guy comes up, but not everything. So I'm going to replace this guy, and I'm going to show you if it's going to work. This is actually where I removed it. This is where I removed it. It is being patched in a cascade manner. The signal comes from the MCU, enter one of the shift register input, then the output comes to this guy, the output of this guy to this guy, from this guy to this guy, and this guy to this guy. So it shows that in the line of operation, this guy is okay, this is okay, this is okay, this is okay. So we have this guy that is bad, which is the one causing a pull down short circuit. And now I removed it and it's working, but I need to replace it so that the other LED strips that are not coming on can come on. In case you find my video useful and helpful, kindly like, subscribe and share. Thank you.